To make a window cling, you'll need a yogurt lid, a toothpick, 2 colors of food dye, and some Elmer's white glue. The first step is to pour your glue, and you want to move it all around the shape. Now you take your toothpick and you'll move your glue so that you have an even layer. Move it all around to the edges. Now I add about 4 drops of food dye for each color. I'm using red and yellow. This is a great way to learn about mixing colors. If you use your primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, you'll be able to make secondary colors. So for instance, I'm using yellow and red, so I'm going to make an orange color. This is my favorite part. You can start moving your toothpick through the colors, and you get this really nice marbled pattern. Move the colors out to the edge of your lid. If I were to thoroughly mix this, I would end up with something that's all orange. But I really like this swirly pattern that you make with the toothpick. Now it's time for the exciting part. You get to take your glue skin out of the yogurt lid, and you just want to sort of pull that back. And you can see it's very dry and flexible. And you just pull it right out like that. And these are very easy to cut. All my hearts are now dry, and I cut them into shapes. So when you look at them, you can see that one side is very smooth and slick. The other one has a little more texture, and it's not quite as shiny. So I'm going to take you over to my window to show you how to apply them, but just so you know, you want to apply the water to this side that's really smooth. Here we are at my kitchen door. I have all 3 hearts lined up, and I have a little bit of water here. You just want to add a little bit. You don't want to get it too wet, because if you do, this is water-soluble glue. They'll start to fall apart. So this one I pre-dampened. And I'm just going to bring it up here, press it on the glass, rub it in, and there you go. You have a colorful heart sun catcher.